Start. Sir, I was referring to the clause which relate to the translation of works full stop. As I said, the main purpose which motivated the joint committee to make this provision was that opportunities should be given to people to take advantage of the work written in various languages full stop. It is only through translations that culture can be disseminated in the country. Ours is not a unilingual country, it is a multilingual country full stop. And if we put restriction in the way of translating works, we put restrictions in the way of the advancement of knowledge itself full stop. It is therefore necessary to make the process an easy one full stop. It was with that purpose that this provision was made full stop. I must say that do see the force of the arguments which have been advanced against this provision full stop. It does create some hardship for the authors, because they are deprived to some extent, of their rights after a period of 10 years full stop. I am, however, willing to accept the amendment which has been proposed by my friend, Mr. Sinha, with slight alterations full stop. There is some advantage in it full stop. The amendment which has been moved by my friend is on the lines of the Universal Copyright Convention, to which India is a signatory full stop. Some members have suggested that the right of translation should be coextensive with the copyright for original work, that is for a period of 50 years full stop. If we accept that suggestion, it would mean that it would not be possible for us to translate the works of foreign authors for a period of 55 years, because they will enjoy the same privileges as our own authors enjoy in this country full stop. Now, we know that Indian language and Indian literature have to go a long way to enrich themselves full stop. We have to produce not only original works in our own languages, but we have to translate many works from foreign language full stop. If we make this right of translation coextensive with copyright, it may be mean that we shall not be able to translate the works of foreign authors, and I am quite sure that the House would not like to put that barrier, in the path of intellectual advancement, full stop. Therefore, the best alternative, under the circumstances is to accept the amendment which has been very ably and very thoughtfully moved by my honorable friend, full stop.